So I was just gifted this from Highmark. It's a Christian gift set and it has so much, it's loaded with everything. So I'm going to kind of go through it. I'm going to let you know my thoughts about it. Honestly, I'm very impressed with it, so I'm really excited to go over what's in it. So it comes in this beautiful box. It's really pretty. Right when you open it up, you're greeted with this special message. You are loved, you are prayed for, and you're never alone. I really love that. It makes you really feel like you're special and it was picked out especially for you. This box is really a kind of keepsake. It's so beautiful. It has decor everywhere and it's really heavy duty, so I think it is meant to be kept, but it's really nice. If somebody gets this, it's already gifted as in a gift box. Now it also comes with this really nice mug. It's a coffee cup / teacup, but it's really heavy duty. It's really a solid cup, so I really like that. It's dishwasher safe, and I like that it already has this special saying, belonged, blessed. Now the cup comes in this gift box, which is super cute. So it's just like an added gift that you get to open, and it has this really cute saying on it. It comes with this really nice gold pen. It has a scripture which is in gold, really nice. I love all the vibrant colors of the flowers, but it's a nice journal that you can journal in. It has several pages in there that you can either put your prayers on or just keep a journal. It has a crochet dove, which is really super sweet. It's really cute. It has this little saying on it, peace be with you. And it's just an added little touch to the box. It comes with this super sweet bracelet. I like that whatever size you are, it's going to fit great. I have really small wrists, and I like that it just doesn't go all the way down, but it's going to fit really any size that you are. Now it comes with 25 prayer cards. They're in this little cute box, but it comes in green, pink, and white, and it just has scriptures on them. They are so pretty. So I really like the flowers, and you can have one each day and just repeat them. And it even includes a little gift card, so you can fill it out to that special someone. Now this is great for any birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas gifts. It just really makes you feel special. It makes you feel like they picked it out just for you. That's what I really like about it. I love all the vibrant colors and just everything that's included. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.